I never made this mistake again when using bounding box in After Effects. When you try to adjust its size in After Effects, the scale gets distorted, but there is a much better way. In this video, I will show you how to build this entire Apple-style HUD interface from scratch. I'll teach you the simple code that automates the movement, so you never have to correct it manually again. Then let's go to After Effects. Here in After Effects, I'll right-click, select New and add a new shape layer. With the rectangle tool selected, create a square shape. Center the square by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Home and Ctrl-Home. Change the stroke color. I'll make it blue. And increase the stroke to 30. Click on Fill and reduce the opacity to 25. I'm gonna reduce the scale of the shape and rename it to background square. Now create another shape layer and make a small square. Reduce the stroke to 0 and in the fill section set the opacity to 100. Then select the same color as the stroke. I'm reducing the scale. With the layer selected, I'll click P and pressing Alt, click on the position animator. Now I'm going to copy the expression available on my Discord server. And I'll paste it into the expression of the position. Within the expression, change the red text and give it the same name as the shape layer below. I renamed it from background square. Press enter and the layer will automatically move to the corner of the shape. I'm going to rename it to square top left. Now press Ctrl D and duplicate the layer. I'm gonna change left to right. Then click on P and go to the expression. In this part of the expression, copy plus rect width and paste it after the rect left. Press enter and the square will move to the right. Duplicate the shape layer again, go to expression and copy plus rect height and paste it after rect top. And the square goes to the bottom left. Now duplicate the layer again, go to expression and just delete the plus rect width. And the square goes to the bottom left. Now go to the background square layer, click on Content, Rectangle 1 and convert the rectangle path to Bezier path and click to animate the path. Drag the keyframe to the end and to animate the bounding box, select the pen tool, then pressing Alt, click on the two bottom corners of the background layer, drag upwards and hold Alt to move straight up. Then select the two on the right and move them to the left. And now we have the bounding box animation. I'll select the keyframes and animate the speed with the flow script. Now I'm going to grab a cursor PNG, select the pen behind tool, and move the anchor point to the tip of the cursor. Now I'm going to select the square layer that's on the bottom right. Go to the expression of the position, copy the entire expression, click on P in the cursor layer, hold Alt and click on the animator. Now paste the entire expression here. Now the cursor is following the square. Finally, I will add the iOS 26 image. Move it below all shape layers and reduce the scale. So this is the final result. If you want to get the link to the assets I used, join my motion community on Discord. I have left the expression code and the project files for this tutorial there, link in the description.